Well, viewers, one of the first announcements made by the pro tem speaker today as the 18th Lok Sabha began its first sitting was that Rahul Gandhi's resignation as a Wayanad MP had been accepted. The Congress has already announced that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will contest the ensuing by-elections, thereby making her political or electoral debut. Now, her husband Robert Vadra has made a big announcement. Vadra has given a sneak peek into his own political plans. He says that he wanted Priyanka to become an MP first, and after she wins in Wayanad, he will begin his own campaign. Listen in.
जब किसी ने पूछा कि आप पहला कदम कब लेंगे संसद में, मैंने हमेशा बोला कि जब प्रियंका सांसद बनेंगी और संसद में होंगी उसके बाद मैं अपना प्रचार करूंगा, अपने तरीके से सोचूंगा। पर पहले मुझे लगा था कि उनकी जगह संसद में है, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूं। पर अभी तो वायनाड से जीतने की जरूरत है। उसके बाद मुझे असल में उम्मीद है और कि वायनाड के लोग प्रियंका को भारी बहुमत से जिताएंगे और फिर वो संसद में होंगे।
Let's go across to my colleague Akanksha joining us on the broadcast with what could be the political fallout of this statement being made by Robert Vadra. Akanksha, at a time when the BJP is already taking a dig at the Congress party, saying time and again that they've turned Wayanad into a family bastion, one after the other, the family leaders are taking part and making their electoral debut from there and not giving a chance to the local leaders. At a time like that, Robert Vadra saying that after Priyanka Gandhi Vadra becomes an MP, I will. Stay with us, Akanksha. Before I come to you, I just want to take in a reaction from Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP also joining us. Shehzad, Robert Vadra saying, I wanted Priyanka Gandhi Vadra to become an MP first, after which I will begin my campaign.
See, this shows two things. कांग्रेस का विश्वास पहले तो लोकतंत्र में नहीं केवल परिवार तंत्र में है, तो अब उनके परिवार के सभी सदस्य संसद में जाने की तैयारी में है। मतलब माँ और बेटा तो थे ही, अब बिटिया को भी भेजा, बिटिया के बाद दामाद भी जाएंगे, दामाद के बाद उनके बच्चे भी जाएंगे का परिचय है। और दूसरा ये है कि पहले तो हमको लगता था कि निर्णय खड़गे जी लेते थे कि खड़गे जी डिसाइड करेंगे कि कौन किधर जाएगा। हमें तो लगा सो कॉल्ड खड़गे जी के पास कुछ तो पावर होंगे, तो ये डिसीजन तो पता चल रहा है परिवार ने लिया कि प्रियंका भी लड़ेगी, प्रियंका भी जाएगी। तो ये अच्छा बड़ा खुलासा वाड्रा जी ने किया है कि इनके पार्टी में केवल परिवार की शेयर होल्डिंग है और खड़गे जी तो नाम के लिए है। ही जस्ट अ रबर स्टैम्प। ये वाड्रा जी बता रहे हैं, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। So I think these 2 points have been cleared by Robert Vadra.
Okay, all right. But, you know, the Congress party has responded to such criticism that has come in. They've said that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has been in politics for a while. It's not like she was given a direct entry because of her association with the Gandhi family or because she's a part of the Gandhi family. She worked in the party and then she's making her electoral debut.
Pratibha ji, she worked in Uttar Pradesh and she has been given debut in Wayanad. Wayanad people were befooled by Rahul. He did not even announce to them before the elections were over. And now suddenly Wayanad is my family, has become family in Wayanad. And Priyanka ji was always doing politics in Uttar Pradesh, although she got the vote share of Congress down to half and she had lost one seat also. But she had all her experience in Uttar Pradesh. But she has been dispatched and disbanded to South. And anyways, that's their choice. But one thing is very clear, that Mr. Vadra has shown that the family calls the shots. Family is everything.
Okay, so after Rahul Gandhi, it's Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, now Robert Vadra making the announcement. I'm going to be next. Shehzad, thank you for joining us. Akanksha, the BJP escalating its attack on the Congress party, saying, how could it get any more clearer for the Congress party that the party is synonymous with the family, that now after Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, she has not even begun her campaign in Wayanad, and Robert Vadra has already announced that after her, I'm going to be next.
Well, absolutely. Robert Vadra has now announced his political plan, saying that after Priyanka Gandhi becomes an MP from Wayanad, he will start his campaign, clearly going on to show that he has plans to join the politics and also do electoral debut just like Priyanka Gandhi. But definitely BJP has started the attack, saying that Congress believes in Parivarvad and all their family members want to go to the parliament. And this, remember, has come on the reaction of Robert Vadra on Priyanka Gandhi fighting from Wayanad. He has said that after she becomes an MP, which he believes that she will, he will start his campaign. Now, it remains to be seen what the party has to say on this, on the plans of Robert Vadra as far as his entry into politics is concerned.
Okay, all right. So such attacks continue to come in from the BJP that has hit out at the Congress party. Robert Vadra saying that I am going to be next. So these are the reactions that are coming in. Robert Vadra, in the latest, remember before this as well, he had said that I had said that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should contest from Wayanad, raising questions on who's calling the shots within the Congress party. Listen in to the latest controversy being sparked by Robert Vadra.
मैंने हमेशा जब किसी ने पूछा कि आप पहला कदम कब लेंगे संसद में, मैंने हमेशा बोला कि जब प्रियंका सांसद बनेंगी और संसद में होंगी उसके बाद मैं अपना प्रचार करूंगा, अपने तरीके से सोचूंगा। पर पहले मुझे लगा था कि उनकी जगह संसद में है, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूं। पर अभी तो वायनाड से जीतने की ज़रूरत है। उसके बाद मुझे असल में उम्मीद है और कि वायनाड के लोग प्रियंका को भारी बहुमत से जिताएंगे और फिर वो संसद में होंगे।
So, Akanksha, this is not the first time Robert Vadra has garnered controversy. Before this as well, he had said that I was the one who said that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should contest from Wayanad because she has been campaigning and she should make her electoral debut. That the BJP had caught on to and said, who's calling the shots in the Congress party? Is Mallikarjun Kharge just a rubber stamp within the party?
Absolutely, Pratibha. And one more thing, in April as well, he had in fact expressed his desire to contest from Amethi parliamentary seat, and in fact he said that the country people want to see him in active politics. He said that this voice is coming from the country. Now again he's calling the shots, saying that after Priyanka Gandhi becomes an MP, he will start his campaign. And in fact, he's the one who suggested that Priyanka Gandhi fights the election from Wayanad. I remember Rahul Gandhi recently wrote a letter in which he had also said that he sad but consoled that his sister will be there to represent the seat of Wayanad, but it was not clear as to whose idea was it. Now that Robert Vadra is coming forth and saying that in fact he's the one who in fact told Priyanka Gandhi to fight from Wayanad. So definitely it remains to be seen what the Congress party has to say on this. Firstly, on his claim that he will start the campaign after Priyanka becomes an MP from Wayanad, and secondly that he's the one who in fact told Priyanka Gandhi to fight from Wayanad.
Well, viewers, one of the first announcements made by the pro tem speaker today as the 18th Lok Sabha began its first sitting was that Rahul Gandhi's resignation as a Wayanad MP had been accepted. The Congress has already announced that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will contest the ensuing by-elections, thereby making her political or electoral debut. Now her husband Robert Vadra has made a big announcement. Vadra has given a sneak peek into his own political plans. He says that he wanted Priyanka to become an MP first, and after she wins in Wayanad, he will begin his own campaign. Listen in.
जब किसी ने पूछा कि आप पहला कदम कब लेंगे संसद में, मैंने हमेशा बोला कि जब प्रियंका सांसद बनेंगी और संसद में होंगी उसके बाद मैं अपना प्रचार करूंगा, अपने तरीके से सोचूंगा। पर पहले मुझे लगा था कि उनकी जगह संसद में है, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूं। पर अभी तो वायनाड से जीतने की ज़रूरत है। उसके बाद मुझे असल में उम्मीद है और कि वायनाड के लोग प्रियंका को भारी बहुमत से जिताएंगे और फिर वो संसद में होंगे।